Count on us means that we're here no matter what to serve our community.
My team of coworkers, we come to work every day to help the community.
I feel like we're a well-oiled machine.
I'm extremely proud of the group that I work with here.
Nursing is tough, right? But knowing that I'm caring for my patient, they're the ones that motivate me.
Just remembering and truly believing that every single human life has a value. That value is worth fighting for.
I like helping people. I like helping people feel better.
You can make a difference doing so many things, but actually being able to invest in people and to invest in the lives of those around you, there's nothing like it.
These patients are people from our small community, many of whom we know personally. We're going to see them over and over and over again, and we want them to do well.
People in this community should count on the physicians and nursing staff and everyone at Sovah because we care about them.